Welcome to the EdTech Tutor channel. This channel is about providing demos and tutorials for technology tools in K-12 and higher education. Be sure to like and subscribe. Okay, welcome to Pro Profs Quiz Maker. We're going to start a quiz. We're going to create a quiz. I created some sample quizzes down here before, but it's to show you exactly how to do this. Create a quiz. We're going to create a scored quiz. We're going to create a personality quiz. Let's create a scored quiz. Okay, we can create from scratch all our questions and answers, or we can use a template, scored templates. If we click on education, it'll give us a geography quiz, language quiz, math quiz with some examples. So let's do a preview of the language quiz. Okay. First. Let's start. So we have images, we can add images. Next. Okay, we can close this. Just gives you a sample. We can use this template, or we can create from scratch. Let's create from scratch. I'm going to show you some fun examples, for example. Okay. Music trivia, Hollywood. There's questions already pre-made for us. That's a lot of questions to go through. So let's just create from scratch, so you know how to change, add, and modify. Let's create a multiple choice question. So question with options. Who was the first president? Okay, we can add a question at the top. We can bold, italic, underline, choose our option. We just click in the option 1 or option 2, option 3. George Washington, Ben Franklin, okay. So we have a question with 4 options. So we can add or remove. So if we don't like this one, we can delete this answer. Delete. So now there's only 3 options. Add new. Oh. Click save, sorry. So we can see in here, we're adding our questions. True, false. Adding a question. So true, false, and then the checkbox next to the question is the correct answer. Okay, save. So here it shows us the correct answer is George Washington. There's multiple choice. Let's choose a checkbox. Select from the following. Okay, if we want option 1 and 3 to be correct, which is a correct formula for math. Two x2 1 and 1 1 plus 1 3% save. So we have a multiple choice, true, false, and we have let's do matching. So matching is Match the following. Match the choices to the options. Is the correct color for the product. Add new. And change this for, say, produce. Save. Okay. Okay. We have 4 questions. We can click done. And then we can go test this. Okay, we'll come back into the quiz. Let it load. Preview it. Preview as a constructor or preview as a quiz taker. Includes sign up and tracking. So when your students go to sign in, they put their first name and last name and an email. So I'll say first, last, my email, at email.com. Okay, start. So we'll click next. This is true, false, next. So we have to click more than one. Now I have to click matching. So purple, orange, purple. Submit my answers. So it gives you a certificate of achievement. Score 50 out of 50 on the untitled quiz. So as a student, I can see that I've answered this one correct in green. This one was incorrect. The correct answer is indicated. Correct for my multiple choice, and incorrect. I get 2 out of 3. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this edition of EdTech Tutor. Thank you for watching our many episodes. You've earned a gold star for the day. Be sure to like and subscribe this channel.